For this class, you'll want to save and organize your files, and typically students organize their files onto flash drives. You can also use this same concept if you're saving to your hard drive on your own computer. So after you plug in your flash drive, you're going to see that it has a name, something like this. You can go in and rename that actually and make it a little more personalized. Notice that it's going to have a limited number of characters that it's going to allow you to use. In that flash drive, I'm going to create a new folder for this class and name it with the course number here. Then I highly recommend you go ahead and set up your folders for the different units. Since we're starting with publisher, these are all going to be publisher units. So I'm going to create a bunch of new folders, and that way I can organize my work quickly. If you are using Windows 8, first of all, God bless you, and then the second thing is it may look a little bit different, but the concepts should be the same. So these are the different units we're going to be working with, and you get the idea. We're not completing every single one of the units, just most of those, and I can see that I've assigned units A through E and then G and H. Okay, so now what do you put in these folders? Oh, another thing you can do if you want to is you can go ahead and create another folder for publisher and another one for PowerPoint if you like. So let me do that, and that's going to keep things even more separated. Notice that after I create this folder, I'm going to click this first folder and then hold down my shift key and click through unit H, and then I'm going to drag and drop that into the publisher folder. Now I'm going to have all my publisher stuff in one place. So now we are going to look in the desktop publishing Angel site and look under lessons. You're going to see this folder or this file here that says Microsoft Publisher 2013 Illustrated Series Student Data Files. So I'm going to click on that, and when you click on that, you'll want to make sure you click on this link right here. And then for instance, for Unit A, you can open publication A1, and then I would go to Save As, not Save, but Save As. That allows you to go around in your files a little bit more easily. Okay, so I'm going to save that there, and then I'm going to do it for the rest of these as well. If you know another way of saving your files, that's A-okay. This is just the method that I am using today. And notice it's going to give you that complete. I'll just close that when I'm finished with that. Even though I'm going into Save As, notice that I'm not giving it a new name yet. Okay. Okay, so now let's pretend that you're in Unit A and you're going through your textbook and you're reading all of the instructions, and you'll want to know the different elements of publisher. If you can hear me turning the page, I'm turning along, and you can read and look at the different screens and so forth. You're going to be asked multiple choice questions about that. So now I am going to go to page 8, and I'm looking down, and in step 3 it says to open publication A1, and there it is. And then it says to save it as PUBA Open House Flyer. I'm going to just keep it in my same Unit A folder, But remember that when you go to upload your work, you want the completed item, not the original one, because we're just using this one and making some changes to it. Okay, so I hope you get the idea. You're going to do some work in this, and then when you get to the end of it, after you've completed all of your work, let me see if I can find one little step that I can do perhaps. For instance, I'm going to insert a text box right here. Okay, and then I'm going to put some information in it later on. After you get all of that done, let's pretend that I've done all of the work and I'm at the end of that particular assignment, which ends on page 17. Then I'm going to go to File and I'm going to save it again. Okay, and then I am going to see it right here. This is one of the items that I'm going to upload. So I'm back in Angel now, and I'm going to go into the Unit A folder, which you don't have access to right now, but you will in the future. And in Unit A Dropbox, it tells me a bunch of information here, and one of the things is that I need to upload PUBA Open House Flyer in addition to a bunch of other publications as well. Please remember that you need to upload all of these items into one Dropbox, not separate ones. So let me go ahead and open another publication here. Let's pretend I made some changes, and now I'm going to save it with the proper file name, which is PUBA Study Abroad Flyer. Okay, so let's pretend that you had done that previously. I'm just trying to get some files that I can work with right at this moment. Okay, so I've already typed a little message here, and if you want to type something down here, this is the title. You can type a message if you like. You don't have to. I will know that it's you that has sent this in because your Angel login attaches you to the files that you upload. That is, I can see who uploaded the files. So now I'm going to go in and find the work that I want to submit. And remember, I was in Unit A. I'm going to upload the open house flyer, and so I click on it. I can double click on it, and then I see it right there, and it says upload file. And I'm uploading. Probably Angel's going to stop right about now. It's been freezing up all day. So now I want to upload another file. So I'm going to browse, click on the file, click open, click upload. Please remember, you've got to do all of this stuff. You've got to open it, upload it. And then when I have all of the files for the lesson, which they're going to be actually, I think, 5 or 6 for Unit A, then I'm going to click Finished, and then I'm going to click Submit, and then I'm going to click OK. Until you see this message and are able to click OK, your files have not gone through. So I'll just let you see what I see on the other end. I will see the subject line that you typed, when you submitted it, and then your username. I'm also going to be able to see your your internet service provider information just a little bit too, just to keep you on the up and up. Okay, I hope this helped, and I look forward to hearing some feedback from you. Thanks so much.